Ravi was 19, living in a small town with big dreams and no money. He had a second-hand phone, slow internet, and a habit of watching tech videos late into the night. One day, he stumbled upon a tutorial: how to create viral AI videos for free. Something clicked. He downloaded free tools and AI Voiceover app, a video generator, and some trending news scripts. He created his first video. What if the moon disappeared? It was simple, dramatic, and full of curiosity. He uploaded it on YouTube and forgot about it. A week later on, million views. YouTube paid him $300. For him, it felt like 3 million. He didn't stop. Every day, he made one new AI video: science facts, mysteries, emotional stories, future tech. Within 3 months, his channel crossed 500K subscribers. Brands started calling. YouTube money kept rising. By 21, Ravi had bought his first car, paid off his parents' debts, and started teaching others how to grow with AI. He wasn't just a content creator. He became a digital entrepreneur.